So today we're going to take a look at our scuttle bag. If you don't know what a scuttle is, it is this wonderful cooking piece of equipment that's made by Tembo Tusk out of California. Really neat piece. We make the bag for it. So we make the cute little case for it here. Basically what you've got is a piece of 2-inch webbing, US made 2-inch webbing, handle on the front, a zipper that goes all the way around it. And we've updated a few things, that's why we're doing the video. So we put a piece of webbing hinge in here so that you actually have, so that it actually hinges on, not on the zipper, but on the webbing piece in the back. On the inside, what you've got is a piece of 2-inch webbing stitched down all the way around this thing so that when the scuttle actually lays in here, the edge of it rides up against that webbing and not on the vinyl itself. You can put a piece of plate in here, you know, to use for a cutting board, something like that in the bottom, stick the scuttle on top of it, and kind of everything fits in here with the burner and a couple propane tanks and that whole thing. And then where the patch is, the burner piece actually steps up, so this is actually a wear spot too. The whole bag itself is made out of vinyl coated polyester, so VPC, truck tarp VPC, truck tarp material, and zips all the way around, giant zipper pull so you can grab it with the glove in the middle of the winter, carry handle, comes with a little bag for the legs, 3 legs go in there, again vinyl, vinyl coated polyester, same thing a truck tarp is made out of, little Velcro closure, cute little bag. Anyway, this is our scuttle bag carry kit. Thanks for taking the time to stop by and check it out.